So from here, there's no downside follow through. We flounder around and then boom. Look how we break this supply line during the early hours of the Asian session. Good 3 bars here. That's a decisive break for this moment in time. We flounder around here. What's this? You can see that the volume does expand here and we spring. We get this kind of stopping action, which is directly just on top of bar C. We come up here, we get bar 1. These bars here at 1. Kind of climactic. We can draw a little channel like this. We would encounter supply here because this is support, 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 support. We flounder around. We push back up, and then look, we get a good clean break. Well, you would like to see a break of over 50% of the spread under this area of structure. However, we could confirm this later as we retest, and this acts as resistance before we come back down. So as we come back to this area, we would expect selling here, especially as we are overbought in this channel. Sellers do emerge, we come back down, and then boom, bar E. Look at bar E, another surge in volume, closes off the lows. We spring the lows of D over here. And again, it's in the same area as C. We push it up, we encounter resistance, 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 resistance. We come back down here and F, look at this is the spread of the previous bar. Let me draw this quickly. And this is the spread of this bar. And we have higher volume. So we have effort versus result here on bar F. Then the very next bar, it reverses and we close back above this level. So again, we've got buying here, buying here, buying here, buying here, all in this area. Don't rally, it's very choppy here. But then again, we get a surge in volume here, surge in volume here, and we hold for closing off the lows and we just see buying emerge. What do you think is happening here? What is this, first of all? It's a trading range. And what occurs in a trading range? Causality. We're building cause. And after analyzing this quickly, what force would you say is dominant in this trading range? Demand. Buyers. Yeah, there's a clear bullish bias here. And you could also argue there's a buying zone here. I think this is more obvious than a buying zone. I think we could safely say we're accumulating at the lows. This is quite a readable trading range. Taking that forward, if you have a bullish bias, what would you want to see the market do for a potential game plan?